नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Welcome to another exciting episode at our channel Arabic Grammar Easy Way. We are inshallah diving into the 85% of Quranic words which are used most often in the Quran, and inshallah this will help us build our vocabulary. So let's not waste any more time and dive into the lesson. List, this is page number 11. And I think I have pointed out before that the number you see behind or before this word means that this word has been repeated this many times in the Quran. Yeah? Did we talk about that part before?
Yes.
Okay. So the word ilaha is God, deity. Yeah? And the plural is aliha. Right? Ilaha, aliha. That's the plural. Yeah? Wahid is one. And wahidata is one. Is this the female gender?
Yes.
Okay. Is ahad also one?
Yes.
Yes.
So the female is ihdah. Do we see the alif maksura here?
Yes.
Is that making it muannas?
Yes.
Okay, good. Then kitab is the book, and the word, the plural of kitab is kutub, right?
Yes.
And why are we looking at these words? Because this is how, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talk about the aqidah or the faith, he used this vocabulary in the Quran about ilaha, wahid, ahad, right? When he's referring to himself, the wahdaniyat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And kitab is the Quran, yes? Or
Yes.
the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Quran, that one, that which is read often, because Quran is which you recite again and again, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Then At-Tawrah is the name of the Torah, the one which was given to Musa alayhi salam. And
Yes.
Injil was given to Isa alayhi salam. Yeah. So these are basically referred as Kutub. Yes. Kutub is the Jama of Kitab. Yeah.
Yes.
Sharik is it's like a partner. Sharik is partner, an associate. And Shuraka is the plural of Sharik. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now Shuraka, is it going to be Jama Mukassar or Jama Salim?
Mukassar.
Mukassar, because it's broken. Yeah.
Yes.
And what did we learn about and this kind of plural we looked at, and we said these are monas in gender. They're taken as monas, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then and do we see the word sharik when we're talking about faith or akida?
Yes.
Sharik is meaning you when you're making associating partners with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Yes.
Yes, that's where we need to look at that. Taqwa is the piety, fear, and protection. Yeah. Ghaib is unseen. So we believe in Allah in ghaib. Yes. We haven't seen Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but our faith requires us to believe Him in the unseen. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Kalima is word, right? Kalima is a word. Then kalimatani, two words.
Word.
Yes. Kalimatun, more than two words, right? So this is muannas, and also we are just revising these words because we recently looked at it in the last week's class. Kalima. Shahadata or shahada, witness. शहादत हम उर्दू में भी कहते हैं कि शहादा किसको कहते हैं? वो शहादा नहीं जिसमें आदमी जंग में लड़के मर जाता है, ये दूसरी शहादा है, राइट?
Yes.
और शहीद किसको कहते हैं? असल में शहीद का मतलब होता है जिसने जो विटनेस होता है उसको शहीद कहते हैं.
Yes.
Yes. And shohada is the plural of this shaheed. Yeah. So let's quickly take a look at the same words in Urdu. Ilaha, mabud. Wahid, ek. Wahid is actually the word of counting, right? The numbers in Arabic. Wahid, atnain, talata. Ahad mean akela. So there is a meaning. The meaning is the same, but you can see the word is different. Akela or ek. Is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ahad?
Yes.
And he is the Wahid. Yes?
قل هو الله أحد.
Yes. And Kitab is Kitab. Quran is Quran. Taurat, Taurat. Injil, Sharik, Sharik Saji. Saji is associate, जिसके साथ किसी के साथ शरीक किया जाए. तकवा का मतलब होता है डरना और बचना, दोनों चीजें हैं इसमें. ठीक है ना. हम कहते हैं ना अल्लाह का तकवा अख्तियार करो, उसका मतलब होता है कि अल्लाह से डरो. ठीक है ना. और आदमी मुत्तकी कब कहलाता है? जब वो अपने आप को गुनाहों से बचाता है. राइट. हम कहते हैं ये मुत्तकी है, ये जो बच के चलता है. गैब, पोशीदा, गैर हाजिर यानी अनसीन, इनविजिबल. कलिमा, इसको उर्दू में भी हम कलिमा कह सकते हैं, या उसको यहाँ उन्होंने बात लिखा है. दैट्स ओके. शहादा इज गवाही जाहिर. शहादा का मतलब होता है कि शाहिद मतलब आप आंखों से देख सकते हैं उसको. राइट.
Yes.
जाहिर इज विजिबल. शहीद गवाह, और शुहदा जो है वो शहीद है, उसकी जमा है. या ओके, लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द अदर वंस. अब दीन को, हमारे रिलीजन को कुरान में जो अल्फाज इस्तेमाल हुए हैं दीन को बताने के लिए, उनमें कौन कौन से लफ्ज हैं? दीनुन है, दीन, रिलीजन, लॉ, जजमेंट. हिकमा, is also part of deen.
Yes.
Yes.
Wisdom, hikmah, right? Hamd,
मिल्लत.
जी.
मिल्लत.
No, hikmah, ये hikmah है ना. ये
नहीं,
hikmah,
मिल्लत का नहीं मतलब तो दीन नहीं.
right? We took the word millah,
Yeah.
millah to Ibrahim as deen of Ibrahim,
Yes.
but over here we're talking about hikmah. That's the word which means wisdom. Yeah.
Yes.
Hamd, hamd is praise, thanks. ठीक है. Salah, the prayer. Zakah, the charity or the poor do. The rukun of Islam, where you have to pay charity on yearly basis. Haqq, truth, true, right. Batil is the opposite of haqq, the falsehood. Yeah. Noor and dhulumat. And one thing to notice that usually Noor is singular in the Quran and dhulumat is always plural. Yes.
Yes.
Now the word dhulumat, by looking at it, can you tell me the gender?
Female.
Female.
Yeah.
And what will be the correct, the whole jargon? It will be Jama Salim Muannas. Jama Salim Muannas.
Morning.
Yeah.
مؤنث.
Okay. Mubin is clear, self-expressive, something crystal clear to you. Yeah. Nothing is hidden about it. Ahad is covenant or ahad. हम जिसे उर्दू में ahad भी कहते हैं, right? Misak is also called covenant, a treaty where you have a contract with somebody. Malak is angel and malaika is the plural of angels. Yeah. Arsh and urush is throne, the roof. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So उर्दू में हम देख लेते हैं इसको. दीन का मतलब होता है दीन. हिकमत और हिकमा का मतलब होता है हिकमत, दानिशमंदी. हमद का मतलब होता है तारीफ और शुक्र. सलाह इज नमाज, ज़का इज ज़कात, हक मुताबिक, हक साबित. ये तीन इन्होंने बातें इसमें लिखी हैं. बातिल, गलत, ना हक. देखें ये हक की जिद है ये बातिल. इसका ऑपोजिट जो है, हक का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? बातिल. और नूर का तर्जमा है रोशनी और जुलुमात का तर्जमा है तारीकियां, प्लूरल में.
अंधेरे.
ठीक है ना. अंधेरे. मुबीन, जाहिर, बयान करने वाला. अहद, अहद, वादा. राइट. मीसाक, अहद. मलक इज फरिश्ता, मलाइका उसकी जमा है. अर्श, अल्लाह का अर्श. शाही, तख्त, छत. छत मतलब रूफ. कहते हैं ना अल्लाह के, ये अल्लाह का अर्श. और so any questions on these?
That's fine.
So we have seen these words, alhamdulillah, and I'm sure most of us are familiar with this, and maybe one or two was maybe more clear now, inshallah.
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 Okay.